Harley-Davidson to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is a one-owner bike, adult-driven and well-maintained. All the service work done on this at a Harley-Davidson dealer. It's a 2007 Harley-Davidson Softail, and it has one of the numbered paint schemes from Harley. This is 110 of 150. And again, one-owner bike showing 72,970 miles. Up front, see the windscreen or windshield. A wide white wall tires on this one. The rear tire was replaced in 2023. So not a lot of miles on that one. Check out all the still pictures. You can be able to see this bike from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. There's the number 110 and 150. You can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome's looking good on this bike. We'll fire it up too, let you hear it run. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. There is already a pigtail for a trickle charger going to the battery underneath the seat. There's your exact miles, 72,970. We're in neutral. Let's go ahead and fire this up. That'd be the 96 cubic inch twin cam. This would have the 6-speed transmission. Good sounding bike this size. Wow. And a sharp looker. Again, check out all the still pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.